One of the great things about starting my career at the Pennsylvania Turnpike is that I start as a project manager.
I work in the Customer Assistance Center.
I am an administrative officer.
Assistant manager of traffic engineering.
I work at the legal department.
I work in the maintenance department here at the Turnpike.
Every day we have a bigger demand and a bigger request for technology.
Make sure you're staying ahead with the innovation, because if you don't, you fall behind and then you're susceptible to different types of attacks, whether it's the cybersecurity attacks, phishing attacks, even phone attacks.
If we see an incident, then what we can do is we can click on that incident, pull it up, and see exactly what's going on.
Back 4 years ago when I had gotten hired to what I've seen now in my previous position, we have come such a long way along with technology, business resource groups, and I feel like we are going to just continue to grow.
Every day is a different task or issue or problem to solve.
I think being able to improve somebody's everyday and tasks that they have to do every day, and how can we make that easier or more efficient, is really satisfying.